So we want to solve homework number 6, problem 8. The problems give you a function where the base has a variable and the exponent has a variable, so you can only use logarithmic differentiation to solve it, as no other way can apply here. And they want you to find what's f prime of 9. According to the definition, you must know you need to find out what's f prime of x first, and then plug in 9 and get rid of x. So in order to find the derivative, logarithmic differentiation says you take log on both sides of the expression. So you end up with something that looks like this. You should be a little bit careful with your structure. Be very aware of the fact that this only applies to x. It has nothing to do with the 10. So one thing, it's a multiplication. So it's ln of 10 added to ln of x to the ln of x. And then I can throw the exponent out, so it's ln of 10 plus ln of x times ln of x. So once you simplify the structure, you begin to take derivative. The left side is a direct formulation of chain rule applied to log function. The right side asks you to take derivative of log 10, which is a constant, so its derivative is 0. This is a multiplication, so you're going to use product rule. So this is what you end up with. So you have 1 over x times ln x plus ln x times 1 over x. Well, since they are the same thing, so it's twice of ln x divided by x. The next thing for you to do is to realize that you need to multiply the f of x to both sides. So what you end up with is twice ln x, x times f of x. F of x, according to the problem, is that, so I can specify it's twice of ln x divided by x times 10 times x to the ln of x. So it's not finished yet because the question was not what's f prime of x, it's f prime of 9. So what you're going to do is you are going to evaluate your function at the point of 9. That is to say you end up with twice of ln of 9, right, divided by 9, and then multiply your 10, and then multiply your 9 to the power of ln of 9. Of course, if you want to simplify it, you could have simplified it, but I would say this is simple enough. So if you want to type your answer in, it's well, you could have 2 and 10, that's a 20, divided by 9, and then you have ln of 9, and then you have 9 ln to the 9, slightly simplified, so you could have 20 divided by 9 multiplied by ln of 9 times 9 to the power of ln of 9 as your final answer.